Yo, what's poppin', guys? Back with another video. So, today I'll be showing you guys exactly how I made Today I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I made fucking bank today. So, yeah, today we fucking killed it on our futures account. For our options account, we actually got some winning trades and some losing trades, and I ended up the day around 80 bucks down, so not too much. Like, didn't make too much, but it wasn't too bad. So yeah, the premiums were just really shit in the morning, because in the morning I went short right here before 10 a.m. macro. And as you can see right here, as soon as we hit 10 a.m., we went all the way down here, down to 19,444. So QQQ, that was like 469, like something like that, something around that. And yeah, once we hit there, I couldn't fucking sell. I tried selling, and I remember premiums were around like $100, like $1 or something like that per contract. And yeah, I tried fucking selling and I got wicked out, and when I did sell, like, I was already at a loss. So yeah, had to stop out of that trade. But anyway, so following up, boom 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 boom. So right here at 1 p.m, right? So around 1 p.m, around here, I saw that we came above the EMAs, right? So we were very far away from the 200, right? So right here at 10 a.m. we hit the 200 EMA, and then by 1 p.m. we were already above the 200, the 21, and the 9 EMAs. Okay, so when I saw that we were around here, above here, I took some shorts, baby. So I alerted shorts in the chat. I said that yes, so I entered NQ shorts at 130. So that was around here. So we actually entered a little late. We actually entered around here, 670. I said we were targeting 620s. So as you can see right here, all the way here, we hit the 620 area, and I got out, and I was able to make $100 in this account. Then we also made 164 in this account. Then we made 876 in this one, and we made $1,060 in this other account. So that's exactly how we caught that trade that I alerted on the premium Discord. So if you're interested in joining and seeing the trades that I'm taking, feel free to click the link down below. I offer 2 products. So I have my premium chat, which is my premium Discord, where you can see me live trade and also see the trades that I'm taking. And I also have my mentorship. So the mentorship, I take you by the hand and I show you step by step. So mentorship is more hands-on, very straightforward, very accelerated program, while my premium Discord is a very high earning community. So one is community, the other is an educational program. So let's fucking get it, baby. So that's exactly what we did. So as soon as 1 p.m. macro hit, I knew I wanted to take a trade, because I knew that first at 10 a.m. we were all the way down here, but by 1 we were all the way up here at the 700s. So we literally rallied 300 points. That's a lot of fucking money, bro. It's a lot of fucking money that the market's moved. So I expected a breather as always. So we shorted right here at 130. We want to short right here. So here, let me zoom in so you guys can see. So right here, we had a major rejection off this EMA area. You see right here. So as soon as we saw that as soon as I saw that we rejected this other candle and saw that we went all the way down to the 620s, I got out for a big fucking gain on all my accounts. So now that I show you guys how I take my trades, this is simple. This is literally all it is time-based trading. Time-based trading and volatility. So yep, as soon as we hit this macro, this is called the 1:30 p.m. macro. So yep, as soon as we hit here and I saw we rejected, I'm like, okay, yeah, we're bound to go down even more. So, and we did twice. So let's say for any reason I didn't get out here, then we got to retest right here at the 50s. You could have re-entered right here when we rejected off here, and then boom, came all the way down again to the 627s, and then by 145 we were already at 620 again. So the lowest we went was at 220. We went all the way down to 612. So that was an even crazier move. And yeah, man, you can catch these moves as well, man. Like, it's really not that fucking hard. All you have to do is have a lot of fucking patience and a lot of risk management. So I am a degenerate, and I admit it. I like to fucking place trades, and I don't mind if I lose. That's the thing. So that's why I have a lot of accounts. I have a lot of funded accounts. Right now I just bought 2 new Tradeifys, straight funded accounts. I have fucking like 6 Apex. So I have 1 Top Step account. I have 1 Robinhood account. I have a TradeStation account. Like, I have so many accounts that abundance itself stops me from going insane. Like, the worst case, I blow 1 account, but then I have 6, 7, 8 other accounts that give me payouts. So yep, that's how we fucking roll. And yeah, guys, don't overcomplicate this shit. Like, it's pretty fucking simple what we do out here. We look for a time-based opportunity where we can capitalize on a very obvious and smart move, you know? And this is what I call that, obvious and smart move. So we reject above this area, and sometimes, like, you can even just enter these trades like just based off time. So 1 p.m. we tried coming down, and we also tried coming up, and we couldn't, and we closed red. So just by knowing this, that we closed red on the first candle at 1 p.m., you could have just shorted here, placed a stop above here, and look, it would have never touched. I personally just waited till 1:30 because that's like an even more secure, like, oh, okay, we're not gonna go up, so the move is gonna go down most likely. So most likely is gonna displace to the other level of the EMAs between these EMAs and the 200 EMAs. So, and that's exactly what he did. So if you went short right here at 1, you placed a stop above the wick, then boom, 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 you would have caught even more points. I was able to catch like 60 points, which is still fucking good if you're trading these micros. Some of my other accounts I traded 1 mini, so I traded 10 micros in my other accounts that I made $1,000. So yeah, some I wanted to take the risk, and some I didn't feel comfortable taking the risk, and that's fine. That's why I have many accounts. I have many accounts so I can divide that risk. So if I don't feel comfortable taking that risk in all of my accounts, I can just take it in one, and then by taking it in one, I can still size accordingly and make really good money, you know. And let's say that trade didn't go in my favor, like let's say it did stop me out right here, then whatever, bro. It's just one account I get stopped out. And the ones that I do copy trade, I'm not trading them right now because I'm still waiting on a payout from Top Step. They've taken like 2 fucking weeks. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. So that's it for this trade. Now I'll be going over here real quick and I'll be requesting a payout. So I'm gonna go out here. This is one of our new accounts, so let's go 2000. Boom, boom. Not a robot. Stairs. Boom. Okay, so we'll be requesting 2000 in this one. Boom, request. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go. Payout submitted successfully. Let's go. So we have this other account at 3700. So for this one we're gonna be doing 1500. Let's fucking go 1500. I'm not a robot. Cars. Boom, 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 boom. Verify and request. Let's go, baby. That's how we fucking do it. Payout submitted successfully. No accounts available for payout. So let's fucking go, baby. This is how we fucking do this shit, baby. Let's get it. So if you want to learn how to make fucking money, just look at this. 2500, 2500, 2500, 800. Well, this one got denied, but 2000, 2000. This one got denied. 2000, 2000, 1000, 1500, 2000. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's fucking go, bro. I was a fucking Uber driver very recently. So now I don't even have to work. My work is mental. My work is against myself. It's me against myself, literally. So it's me against my own bad habits and bad decisions. So for you, it's the same exact thing, man. For you, it's the same exact thing. So yeah, guys, I'll be getting off right now, but I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Please protect your money, guys. Please protect your money. All right, I'll catch you guys very soon. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really trying to provide educational videos to you guys and show you guys how I take each and one of my winning trades. So I want you guys to see how a true winner takes this shit seriously, because, and I'll show you, like, if I blow an account or if I take it L, like, you know, it's part of it, bro. It's part of the process. Like, don't overcomplicate this thing. Like, you know, you can still lose money, and you're gonna lose money, you know, but you're also gonna make a lot of fucking money, you know. So that's part of the process. You're gonna lose some money, but you're gonna make way more money. That's the way it fucking goes. Okay, so God bless you guys. Take care, and as always, protect the money. Stay safe out there. God bless you guys.